Welcome to Back 20 Cars. Sure. Here's a 500-word YouTube script focused solely on the exterior design, performance, history, and features of the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid Sedan, formatted for your channel 20 Car 20 and structured exactly as you requested. Welcome back to 20 Car 20, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews and deep dives into automotive design and performance. Today, we're turning our focus to the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid Sedan, a vehicle that blends classic Civic DNA with modern hybrid efficiency and sleek, forward-looking design. From the outside, the 2025 Civic Hybrid continues the tradition of refined simplicity. Honda has maintained the low, wide stance that made the 11th generation Civic A stand out, while subtly refining the silhouette for improved aerodynamics and fuel economy. The body lines are sharper and more intentional, flowing seamlessly from the front fascia all the way to the rear, creating a sense of movement even when the car is parked. Up front, the Civic Hybrid sports a reworked grille with a cleaner, more sophisticated look. Unlike its gas-only siblings, the hybrid variant features a distinct mesh pattern and a gloss black finish that gives it a premium edge. The LED headlights are slimmer and more angular, integrated smoothly into the front fascia for a cohesive, aggressive appearance. Daytime running lights wrap around the headlight units, forming a visual signature that is unmistakably Honda. Moving along the side profile, the hybrid sedan maintains the Civic's fastback-inspired roofline, giving it a sporty yet practical aesthetic. Flush-mounted door handles and subtle chrome trim around the windows add a touch of elegance without going overboard. The hybrid model rides on unique 18-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels designed to reduce drag while enhancing the vehicle's visual appeal. Side mirrors are body-colored and come with integrated LED turn signals for added visibility and style. At the rear, the 2025 Civic Hybrid Sedan showcases LED taillights with a slightly smoked finish. A subtle lip spoiler is integrated into the trunk lid, enhancing both looks and aerodynamics. The rear bumper has been redesigned with smoother contours and a darkened lower garnish to give it a sportier stance. No visible exhaust tips here. Honda has tucked them out of sight to emphasize the car's cleaner, eco-conscious identity. Performance-wise, the hybrid doesn't just save fuel, it performs with purpose. While we won't dive into the interior or powertrain specs today, it's worth noting that Honda has designed the exterior to complement the efficient hybrid system. From underbody panels to the wheel design, every element plays a role in reducing drag and increasing fuel efficiency. Even the A-pillars have been reshaped for improved airflow, helping the Civic Hybrid glide through the air more effortlessly than ever before. As for history, the Civic nameplate has been around since the 1970s, but this marks a significant evolution. Honda first introduced a hybrid Civic over 2 decades ago, but the 2025 model feels like the most refined iteration yet. It combines decades of design heritage with cutting-edge advancements in sustainability and aerodynamics. This is not just a fuel-efficient sedan, it's a modern reinterpretation of an icon. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid Sedan. If you're a fan of clean design, subtle aggression, and smart engineering, this model deserves a spot on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review on 20 Car 20. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you'd like a version with background music cues or a voiceover tone.